Hey everyone, this is Joy back, and I will be showing you some of 2006 Toa Inika sets. Now I'll be showing set number 8727 to set number 8732. Now, the Toa Inika I actually don't really know what type of Toa they are, but see the backstory, they were actually before Matoran, which I find strange to be Toa, but it's kind of like the weird universe. So I will be going into detail in a second. So right now I will be starting from Toa Jaller to Toa Hahli to Toa Nuparu. Then I go to Hewkii, then the Kongu, and then finishing off the video will be Matoro. So let's start off with Jaller. So I'll put everyone aside. Just this. And then let's start with Jaller. Now you can see here's the Toa of Fire. He's my second favorite out of the entire group. Now, for the Toa Inika, they actually do have a different head mold to any of the other ones. This time we have a rubber mask, not the plastic ones, and we have a plastic green and white face, which I think that's actually a dislike of these characters, but the masks still look cool, still hollow like they usually are, except they actually go over the head, which is good. But this year, 2006 had the new light up blades. It's a little hard to see seeing that we're out into the day. And they also started those ball thing shooters, which you load up balls down here, then you push that down, and the ball will go flying out. Now this is also going to be a video before my next one, which will be the Paraka, which you'll be seeing soon, which I'll be doing also today. Now, I've changed my routine and I'm going to be doing 2 videos a day. Now, I'm sorry for saying a little too late on my third video. I just decided to get it done that day. So, you'll be seeing every week 2 videos a day. Now, moving on, you can see classic red and gold, which is actually a new color gold to the Fire Toa. But they're using new feet, new body designs, and new neck designs. So we'll put Jaller aside, and next we'll be bringing up Hahli. Deadly, everyone in a mess. Then we have Toa Hahli, which is set number 8728. So, like before, normal Toa color is blue, and a new color which is white, some gray on the chest plate, and gray weapons. Now you can see back here is a mixture of colors. Literally the entire body is a mixture. Not like the other character. Well, actually, Kongu has a mixture of colors, but like before, silver, like before those ball shooters, light up blade except a harpoon type. And the thing about these some blades is they can actually be taken off and changed to guns, which I find that kind of cool. But Jaller's is one of the blades that can't. So that's kind of a bummer. like before, same head, same type of material for the mask. Now, so I'm just gonna put her aside, saying that I will eventually bring her back up for the rest of the Toa. Right here, so I just need to find Kongu. So I'll just do Kongu before I do the one that's supposed to be. So I'll just put her aside. And we have Kongu, which is set number 8731. Now, like I said, mixture of colors. You have a mixture of colored beat, and up here the body is a mixture. Nothing too different. Your normal Toa jungle colors. You got your green and a new color, which is silver. But I think these new colors will be used for the armor. Now, Kongu does come with those ball shoes, but I just can't seem to find it. And he comes with his double blade. Well, he's one of the characters that has a two-way blade. I put it in the gun for him. And now the reason I'm not going to put it in blade form is because I have one of the characters with the same blade, and it's in sword form. Now, like I said, same type of head as usual in these types of sets. I'm going to put him aside and bring out my favorite one of the entire group, Nuparu. Literally is a big one. Now this one had a lot more pieces in it, saying that you had to build this extra piece at the back to support his big old gun. Now, actually, there was also more pieces put into the hands also, saying that the set is giving him claws. But, what do you see here? Oh yes, you see a big old gun. I can see someone running around with this type of gun. He's frightened. And another reason why he has all these parts is, like I told you, to support his shoulder cannon. Oh, this guy. He has a lot of reasons to be my favorite. Literally, one of the biggest is to have most of the guns. Like I said, normal Toa of Earth, black, gray is actually not a new color. Same head, blah blah blah. We can move on to the next one. Sorry for saying blah blah blah, but I'm kind of in a little stress. And if just what my hair color looks like, I've actually just came back from a friend's birthday party. I will be moving on to set number 8730, which is Toa Hahli. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce the names right. The names of these toys are just so hard to say sometimes. But here we go with, like usual, some easy stuff to do. Normal gun, normal blade, yada yada yada. We can move on. Same face actually, and actually, no, I don't think any, different bodies. Because now you got yellow and gray. So let's move on to our next one. And former last, who is Matoro, Toa of Ice. Now you can see off start normal white parts of Toa of Ice. And what's special about him is he has trans pieces, which looks cool. Now, well, he actually is my third favorite. Now, just like Jaller, he has the only one-way blade. Same gun, which is Oh, and if you noticed, the guns go in different colors to go with their types. You see the top is white for Matoro, gray for Hewkii, and you got red for Jaller, and you got dark silver for now, like I said, normal face, same material mask. Now, these guys were around what made the Bionicles cool again. Saying that Bionicles got some more new villains, which were the Paraka, which I kind of find that they're weird a little bit. But, okay, so bringing up the entire team, here we bring back Hahli. Oops. Now, if you just saw, I'm using the wrong type of head, so please do not dislike about that. I was just kind of in a rush to making this. Now, when I've been looking down, I've been looking at this because I don't remember most of the names. So, I hope you liked this video and leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all later today. Ciao!